In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table of contents in Google Sheets. If your spreadsheet has grown into a maze of tabs, a simple, clickable table of contents can save you tons of scrolling and searching. By the end, you'll have a clean landing page that lets you jump to any tab in one click. Start by adding a new sheet and placing it at the very beginning of your workbook so it's the first tab you see. This will become your navigation hub. Think of it as the front page of a report or a binder. In the first column, type the names of all the tabs you want quick access to. One name per row. This list is your menu. Use the exact tab names so your menu clearly matches what people see along the bottom. If your project has sections like Dashboard, Data, Reports, or Archive, list them all here so nothing important is buried. Now, turn each of those names into a link. Right-click a cell that contains a tab name, choose Insert Link, then select Sheets in this spreadsheet. You'll see all your existing tabs in one place. Click the tab you want to jump to and confirm. The text becomes a clickable link. When you click it, Google Sheets takes you directly to that tab. No more hunting through a long row of sheet names. Work your way down the list, repeating the same action for each tab name. It's quick and consistent, and you only have to set it up once. A small tip to speed things up. After selecting a cell, you can use the link shortcut on your device to open the link dialog faster. Then choose Sheets in this spreadsheet and pick the right tab. Once your links are in place, you've built a true table of contents. Anytime you open the file, start on this front sheet, click the section you need, and you're there instantly. If you later rename a destination tab, links created through Sheets in this spreadsheet will still point to the correct place, keeping your navigation reliable as your project evolves. And if you add new tabs in the future, just type the new name in the list and repeat the same linking step to include it. That's all it takes to keep big projects organized and easy to navigate. A simple menu, clear labels, and links that jump exactly where you need to go. Thanks for watching, and keep building smarter workflows. Follow for more Google Sheets hacks.